Alright, so check out my little charging station I got going on here. Wiring station, battery, got the tail lights, got my new switches I'm going to hook up into the fenders for the headlights, got the ignition, got a voltmeter, got a USB charger with a little switch that turns on, and check this out. See, we can open this baby up. We got charging ports, and it's directly hooked up to the battery, so we'll be able to just turn this switch on anytime I want. Look at that. Then I can plug my phone in, charge it up. Anyway, let's we can close this up too, so you know when it rains and stuff like that, and keep the dust out of it. Then we got the headlight hooked up. We got tail lights. Watch this. Turn the key on. Let me get the other side so you can see this. Ignition. Boom. We got lights. Lights. We have the beer time switch. So when we turn this on, you can watch what's going to happen here, right? When we turn the beer time switch on, beer time switch is on, and then what? It dispenses beer that we can go ahead and take care of. That is the coolest switch you will ever see in your entire life right there. Only for me though. I only get beers. You guys don't get beers. And then if we turn this on, that's my tail lights. But it's also my headlights. Boom! So we got the headlights on there, and we can turn the brights on. Now we got bright lights. Now we got the dims. And then we can turn the whole headlight assembly off. Tail lights and all, right? Tail lights and headlight. Boom. Turn all that off. The reason why I have two taillights, by the way, is I bought a new one because I'm going to use the new one with it still in plastic, and this old one has the connector on it, which I'm going to somehow rewire to match the connector on this one because it has weird different colored wires and stuff, and I don't want to ruin the wire harness, so I'm going to figure out how to use this taillight connector into this guy somehow. And I'll do it. I didn't destroy the headlight either, the headlight clip. I just put a new clip onto, basically I had an OEM starter switch that, you know, handlebar switch that had the lights on and off, had the start, everything. This will be my start, my motor starter here. But that's not hooked up yet, obviously, because there's no motor here. But anyway, yeah, pretty cool. And then all this is OEM as well, so it's hooked up to the CDI box is right there. This is actually the switch cluster that's going to go onto the frame. And I don't know if we'll be able to see the back of this or not, but this is the actual kit that goes onto the frame with the original OEM clips and everything. I haven't destroyed anything. I got the wire harness back there with the rectifier hooked up into there. The battery. Oh yeah, let's turn off the lights and see how this shit works. So we got that. I don't know if you can see these or not. They're kind of on, but The beer switch. Oh crap, we turned the beer switch on. There it is. It's just for me. Oh yeah, another one. Let me turn the lights on. Oh, I got lights. Got 2 taillights once again, I already explained that. Well, my brights even work too, check this out. We can switch the old, now I got bright lights. Then I got DMs. It's a pretty cool little setup. Pretty cool little setup, I must say. Alright, peace out, brothers and sisters.